Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Daniel.
And my name is Emma.
Today, we will learn English very slowly, very clearly, and with many examples.
Yes. And our topic today is daily activities.
Daily activities are the things we do every day. Simple things, easy things, morning, afternoon, evening.
Yes, things like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work, and sleeping.
Exactly. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. And you listening, are you ready? Good. Let's begin. Let's start with the morning. Morning activities.
Morning time.
The first thing we do is wake up.
Wake up.
Very good. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
Listener, now you try. Say it slowly. I wake up. Good job. After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Get out of bed.
Yes. Listen again. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Try it too. Say, I get out of bed. Nice. Then we brush our teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Yes. Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Listener, can you repeat? Perfect. Next, many people wash their face.
Wash my face.
Great. I wash my face.
I wash my face.
And then I take a shower.
Or a bath.
Yes. Repeat. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Excellent.
After showering, I get dressed.
Get dressed.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Listener, now you. Very good. Then I eat breakfast.
Breakfast, my favorite.
Mine too. Repeat. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Great job. After breakfast, many people go to work or go to school.
Yes. Students go to school. Adults go to work.
Repeat. I go to work.
I go to work.
And I go to school.
I go to school.
Listener, you choose one and say it. Nice. To go to work, some people drive a car.
Drive a car.
Others take the bus.
Take the bus.
Some people walk.
Or ride a bike.
Yes. Let's repeat all slowly. I drive a car. I take the bus. I walk. I ride a bike. Listener, repeat your favorite one.
When we arrive at work or school, we start our daily tasks.
Yes, at work we check emails, talk to people, do tasks. Repeat, I check my emails.
I check my emails.
Listener, now repeat. Another daily activity is working on the computer.
Many people do this every day.
Repeat. I work on the computer.
I work on the computer.
Good.
At school, students study, read, write, and listen to the teacher.
Yes, let's repeat some. I study.
I study.
I read.
I read.
I write.
I write.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
Listener, try saying one sentence. At lunchtime, we eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
After work or school, we go home or go somewhere else.
Some people go shopping.
Some people relax.
Some people meet friends.
Yes. Repeat. I go home.
I go shopping.
I relax.
I meet friends. Many people also cook dinner in the evening.
Yes. Repeat. I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
Listener, say, I cook dinner. After dinner, people do different evening activities.
Some people watch TV.
Some read books.
Some play games.
Yes, many choices. Repeat slowly. I watch TV.
I read a book.
I play games.
Some people also exercise in the evening.
Yes. Repeat. I exercise.
I exercise.
Listener, your turn. Then, at night, we brush our teeth again.
Yes, always.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Good. After that, we go to bed.
Go to bed.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Listener, say your time. I go to bed at... Nice. And finally, we sleep.
Sleep.
Repeat. I sleep.
I sleep.
Listener, say it too. Very good. Now let's do a small, simple conversation using daily activities.
Yes, let's show how to talk about your day.
Emma, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. I eat eggs and bread. What do you eat?
I eat cereal and fruit.
Do you go to work or school?
I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Nice. What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and I read a book. And you?
I cook dinner and then I go for a walk.
Now, listener, it's your turn. I will ask you a question. You answer out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work or school? What do you do in the evening? Great job! Now let's review everything we learned today.
Yes, a short and easy review.
Morning activities. I wake up. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. Work or school activities. I go to work. I go to school. I drive a car. I take the bus. I walk. I work on the computer. I study. I read. I write. I listen to the teacher. I eat lunch. Afternoon and evening activities. I go home. I relax. I meet friends. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I read a book. I exercise. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep. Great work today. You learned many daily activity words and sentences.
Yes, very useful English for every day.
And you repeated many sentences. This helps you remember.
Thank you for learning with us.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.